How to fix Roblox Error Code 0. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and in the search bar, search for run. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and type in percentage local app data percentage and then tap on OK. Once you see this, you want to go ahead and search for Roblox, right click onto it and simply tap on delete. This will clear all the cache of Roblox in your PC. Once done, go ahead and try opening Roblox to see if the issue is fixed or not. So if that does not work for you, you simply want to go ahead and in the search bar, search for add or remove program, tap open, and then simply type in a Roblox in the search bar. Once you type it in, you want to go ahead and tap on the three dot, tap on uninstall, and do the same for this one as well. Once it is installed, you want to go ahead and reinstall Roblox in your PC. Once you do that, you'll then be able to fix your issue. If in case you don't, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. For that, tap onto this, tap on this power button, and then simply tap on restart. Once you restart your PC, you'll then be able to fix the issue. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.